Are you still struggling to make your first dollar? What if I told you there's a way to create high converting landing pages in just minutes? No coding, no hassle. You can create attractive landing pages or attractive websites to promote CPA offer. You can earn good amount of money from CPA networks. You can use any CPA networks like CPA Grip, Mileage CPA network, Max Bounty CPA network, Crack Revenue CPA network, and CPA Lead network. You can use any CPA network to earn money. Everything will depend on landing page. If your landing page will be attractive, eye-catching, then you will be able to generate loads of leads. In this video, you are going to learn about how to make attractive landing pages, attractive websites, or attractive apps to promote CPA offer. I will share with you free methods, so do not worry about any kind of investments. You should watch this full video without skipping any part. I'm going to share with you a step-by-step strategy to make attractive landing page, attractive websites, and attractive apps to promote CPA offer. You do not need to worry about coding knowledge, skills, and experience. You can create websites within 5 minutes just by one click. Before we start, I want you to please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. I wanna share with you this platform, Golax AI. Guys, this is a great platform to create websites and apps within 5 minutes. This is a free platform. You can describe your idea within 5 minutes. You can see your idea come to life. Enhance functionality with integrations to add authentication, database, AI chat, and more. Here you can see you can add all these things to make powerful websites. Authentication, database, payments, storage, emails, custom domain, SEO optimization. You can make real websites with Golex. You can make website in free. Here you can see frequently asked questions. You do not need to worry about coding knowledge. You can customize the design. You can connect your own domain with website. Guys, the great thing about this platform is that you can make website in any language. Let me show you how you can use this platform. You can click on Get Started button. You can sign in with Google or you can sign in with Apple. After creating account on this platform, you will then come to this page. Here you can see I have created 3 web apps. I have created Earn Money app. I have created landing page to promote CPA offer. I have created video player website. You can make any kind of landing pages, websites, apps in free. You just need to type your prompt. Like if you want to make landing page to promote CPA offer. For example, if you want to promote this CPA offer, then you can copy this title. Now you can go on Golex platform and you can paste that title. You can type your this kind of simple prompt. Make landing page to promote CPA offer. CPA offers title. You can paste here the title. And here is CPA link. You can paste your CPA link. You can go on CPA Grip website. Here is showing CPA link. You can click here to copy the CPA link. Now go on Golex platform and you can paste here that CPA link. Now you can go on CPA Grip website. You can copy this text. Go on Golex platform and you can paste here that text. Guys, you can generate landing page for any kind of CPA offer. You can just paste your CPA offers title. You can paste your CPA link. Now you can type your accepted countries and accepted device. At last, you can click on this button. This platform will generate attractive landing page within 5 minutes. You do not need to do anything. Yeah, here we go. As you can see, this platform has generated attractive landing page. Here you can see how it works. Verify iOS device, complete verification, quick processing, receive your gift card. Here you can see this platform has added testimonials. Here you can see landing page URL. You can copy this URL. You can share this URL on social media platforms to get visitors. You can click here to visit on this landing page. You can see this landing page is live. Here you can see made with Golex. If people from United States click on this button using Apple iOS device, then they will be redirected on the CP offers landing page. When that person will submit his email address, then you will be able to earn $2.06 per person. You can also make complete website, complete application. You just need to enter your prompt. You can use ChatGPT platform to generate prompt. You can copy this prompt. Now you can go on Golex platform. You can paste here that prompt. Go on ChatGPT platform. You can copy this prompt. Now go on Golex platform. Paste here that prompt. Okay, after pasting prompt, you can click on this button. Now you need to wait at least 5 minutes. Golex platform will generate attractive website. Here you can see this platform has made attractive earning website. You can also customize this website. For example, I'm going to add your payment proofs. You can type your prompt. Like you can type here, when we click on payment proofs button, then show me at least 10 users payment proof. Now you can click on this button. Here you can see this platform is customizing my website. You can customize website to make more attractive. You can add buttons, you can add images, you can add testimonials, payment proofs, you can add disclaimer, terms and conditions. You can customize anything in your website. Yeah, here we go. This platform has customized this website. Let me check payment proofs. Here you can see this button is working well. View all payment proofs. As you can see, everything is working well. Guys, you can also add sign up form. Like when user will click on this sign up button, then sign up form will be open. When user will click on this login button, then login form will be open. You can type your prompt and then you can click on this button. Here you can see Golex platform is customizing my website. Now let's check this website. Yeah, here we go. Everything is working well. Similarly, you can make complete website. You can customize your website. You can add your own domain. And then you can make your website live. You can submit your website on Google search engine. After making website, you can use 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 platform to make your website into application. Let me show you its subscription plan. Here you can see 4 types of subscription plan: free, basic, pro and enterprise. If you will select this subscription plan, then you will get all of these benefits. If you will select this subscription plan, then you will get all of these features. You can get everything in Pro, 500 messages per month, unlimited projects, early access to new features. So friends, take advantage of Golex platform without getting late. You can check link in the description. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.